How to keep your heater warm, even outdoors in the cold. Inverter is here to help. Today we will show you its installation instruction. Before installation, confirm that the inverter, battery, connection wires, heater, and other equipment are intact. First, connect the battery. The red wire to the positive pole. The black wire to the negative pole. Ensure a firm connection, which is a key step in power supply. Plug the heater S plug into the output socket of the inverter. A simple step to connect warm. Learn to install inverter. Easily achieve outdoor heating. And let the warmth accompany you at any time.